Did you know that the #1 cause of fires and injuries at home come from cooking? So let me share a few hints and tips that will hopefully keep you safe. First of all, don't walk away from anything cooking that can catch fire. If you're frying, broiling, or pan grilling, always keep an eye on what you're cooking. Also, if you're simmering, baking, or roasting, make sure you check on it every so often. And so you don't forget about it, set a timer. If there's a small flare-up, turn off the heat and cover it until it burns itself out. If you can't cover it, sprinkle on some baking soda. If that doesn't work, use a fire extinguisher or get out of the house. Never throw water on a grease fire. And if you have an oven fire, turn off the heat and keep the oven door closed. If the fire is bigger than you can handle, get out of the house and call 911. Another biggie, keep anything flammable, pot holders, wooden utensils, towels, or curtains away from the stove. All this fire safety talk reminds me of a recipe that we got years ago from a local firehouse. It's simply a chuck roast that's seared and then slow cooked with lots of onions and one of the best homemade barbecue sauces I've ever tasted. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our Firehouse Pot Roast so you can enjoy a hearty meal that is fireman approved. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a safer way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.